Pena here at 4 State Trucks in Joplin, Missouri, here to talk to you today about these airline boxes that we carry here at the store. We have two different styles here. We have our aluminum style that sits on top of the deck plate that you can just run your airlines in. We have chrome ones, and then we have a couple stainless options too. We also have two different airline boxes that you can set inside the deck plate. So we have an option here that you can put two 4-inch lights in, and if there's a option that is not up here, we can also have our fab shop make just about any kind of airline box you want. Give us a call here at 4 State Trucks. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have.
Hey everyone, Todd here. Just taking a second to talk to you about our fans and fan shrouds that we keep up here in stock, up in the retail store and over in our catalog here. And we keep them for all different makes, models, different fan counts, different sizes for different engines. Same with the fan shrouds. All different styles. They're great quality. They're fiberglass. If you want to go from a 9 blade to an 11 blade, we have that option. OE numbers work great, so if that's all you're after, you can come in, we'll match it up, get you fixed up, and get you back on the road. Come on down to 4 State Trucks and check them out.
Hey guys, this is Colin at 4 State Trucks, home of the Chrome Shop Mafia. Today I'm going to be showing y'all the Vendetta Exhaust system. This one is our in-house brand. It's going to be offered inside the 7-inch. It'll be a complete kit. Y-pipe included. Comes with a 5-year warranty, and the beauty about this is it's going to have best of both worlds. It'll be chrome-plated stainless steel. These are going to be set up for the Peterbilts, Unibilt or non-Unibilt cabs. They come in a variety of different sizes, overall height. They're going to be 7-inch right now, and they're going to be a one-piece stack with different cut options on the top. They will include this hanger as well, which will bolt up to your frame rail, add a little extra support and rigidity, and it's also going to make the truck look cool. So come on down to 4 State Trucks, check out our Vendetta exhaust system, and make your truck sound good.
Guys, this is Dylan at 4 State again. If you want a little more protection to your front end, Laverne can get you fixed up. 3-inch tube, got them in powder coated, stainless steel. We got them to fit Peterbilts, Kenworths, Freightliners, whatever you got, we have it down here. We even have the bigger ones that cover a little bit over, kind of above the headlights. They mount on a hinge through your tow hole with a magnet on top, so you can actually pull it out of the way to get access to your hood. So if you need help finding which one would fit your truck, give us a call and we'll get you fixed up.